Good morning. I've got all this stuff laying here. I have little knowledge of it, but I have to install it. I have ventilators, I have lamps, battery charger, cables to go outside the car, something for the solar panel, transformer, plugs, switches, more sockets. I think I'm going to start with something simple. I have the cables hanging here for the lamps, and maybe do that first, and then while I'll do that I'll build up the courage for the rest. It's going to be interesting. These wires are so thin that I think I'm going to solder them so they get a little bit more fleshy. Actually not that much thicker than the ones on the lamps, so I think I'm good. Don't need the soldering. I do need this. Don't like twisting wiring together, so I'm always using these little blocks. I don't think that's gonna work either. If I put them through the hole, I don't think if I ever have to replace them, they'll come out neatly. So I can do it in other places, but not here. Nothing seems to work out today, so it's just going to be old-fashioned tape. Okay. How long? And then they come with these tiny screws. If I drop them, I'll never find them back. Where's the other one? I don't know, you see the cable and the hole. Not too pretty. Can always redo it. Now I have to see if it can work. The plug. No way. No way. The test. Yeah, it works. Good, huh? Let's do the rest. Ah. Oh, this is for child's fingers. Lunchtime. Man, figuring out what to do is way more work than the actual mounting. I did hang up a ventilator, but they're so flimsy made. They've got these on it. Who needs it? I want it mounted on the wall. Then I found that there's a little ground plate here. So theoretically, you can take that out. It slides out when you undo the screw and mount it on the wall directly, which I did. But it's a thin material. This you can't tighten. That always keeps, gravity makes it move. So I had to put washers in between. Oh, come on people, it's not cheap, that stuff. Do it right. Oh, that's how I keep myself busy. Now it's lunchtime. And you don't get my lunch, Slim. No. Come here. Show yourself. Yeah. When I'm done, you get the rest of the yogurt, okay? But I'm slowly getting there. Lots to do, but boy, it's fun when something works. Okay. Yeah, that'll work. Now I still have a reading light, and I want to hang that up there so that we can also use it above the tap from the outside. Not sure if we'll need it, but and I have another one, and it might be handy to hang that in the front. You want to see something there, because I don't see a need for two reading lamps, to be honest. Yes. No. Yeah, good. But now it's time to connect the water tap with the battery. So I'm going to run a cable and see if that will work. Step by step. The water pump will have its complete own wire to the battery. With in case of water, sounds okay to me. I just don't want to mess on the back here because there's other things going there. So if I can have rings like this, piling up, hole plus, hole min, I think that should work. And bring a cable from the battery, done. I'm still missing a tiny screw. Don't even know if I need it or not, but I sure would hate it that it'd be outside the van now because I didn't look. But it's so small. But I don't know what it's... Oh! Haha! Found it! Put it away safely because I don't know where it belonged to. I might need it, I might not. It's time to tidy up and call it a day. Well, I've got lights, I've got running water that works all the time, I've got a fan. I think it was a success today. Still a lot to do. Hope you liked it. See you next week.